Modifying the external assembly list. Did you know that you can edit how elements are grouped on an external BOM? For example, I'll go to the BOM template, and using out of the box, I'll create an assembly list for the stair structure. So let me just drag that over. I'll go to the table of contents. There are spaces in sheet 5 and 7. Let me close that down. I'll show you how these spaces can be removed and controlled. So I'll go to the Home tab and I'll create a list. So this is creating extract of this model. I'm going to name it behavior display. So you can see the command line says the XML has been created. From the Output tab, Document Manager, I'm going to go to the BOM editor. And once that's opened, I'll just expand the external list, just size the window. I've created one previously. I'll just delete that and start from scratch by selecting Assembly List and right-clicking and making a copy. So we'll just create a new one and call it Behavior Display. I'll select OK. So here it is. If I select the group head 1, you have all of these categories, but we're interested in the behavior group keep together. It's defaulted at all. If I expand the flyout, I'm going to put that at none. And just below that, keep together is defaulted at true. So I will put that at false. And you want to save your changes. Select Use to display the extract dialog. Let me just drag that over. We can select the extract, select OK again, and we'll just expand the list. Go to the table of contents, and there you have it. The spaces are removed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this video useful. Have a great day.